friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw instruments, and please continue watching if you're ready for it. Hi friends, I'm Sharon and this is a video which is a part of the wedding bell series, which is purely meant for teaching you about the wedding elements like bride, groom, instruments, then like kalyana mandap, etc. So my other videos in this series are these 4 videos. You could refer this, the link is given below my channel, and this is my Instagram page and this is my latest work. You could refer to my Instagram link in the comment box or in the bio. So today we are going to learn how to draw these instruments. For that, the first step is draw a V shape, like this, 2 V shape. Just symbol 2 V shape. Okay, then so first I'm going to show you how to draw the outline with a pencil, and then we can draw with a mehendi cone. So watch till the end for all the improvisation tips and shading techniques. And the video is a kind of little bit lengthy, but please watch till the end for all the tips. So we are gonna join the 2 V's, and as I showed in the above picture, that we should join using a semicircle, a curve, not a straight line. Now for the pot. It's a pot, and I saw this thing first time in my friend's sister's marriage, and it is like this. I hope everyone, even a kid, knows how to draw a pot. And again join the instrument base using some semicircle or curve. I hope you like my narrations, and please let me know the comments in the comment box below. And this is the leaves. There is a simple technique: 2 downward facing heart and an upward facing heart. Everybody knows how to draw a heart symbol or the love symbol, and it's the same thing. So 1 downward facing heart, another downward facing heart, and an upward facing heart. You okay with it? Okay. Now for another instrument, just a bigger curve, and follow that curve, draw another curve. Okay, and just some bulky kind of curves, and again a semicircle, then another semicircle, join together to form that. Then one line and another line, and both converging at the side. This makes our another instrument. So are you ready to draw with a mehendi cone? So let's do it. So again do V shape, then next V shape, and let's join together. Curve, another curve, again curve, and another curve. So 2 V shape and 2 curve. Then for a pot, a line, a 2 curve, again a line, then 2 curve, and a bigger semicircle. This full figure matters with straight lines and curves. Okay, now for the base of the instrument, again semicircle as I shown with a pencil. If you have any doubt, please say it in the comment box below, and also DM me in my Instagram page so I can know them and I can improve about that. And our 2 hearts facing downwards, 2 hearts facing downwards, and a single heart facing upward. Now our another instrument, the curve one, the bulk, then again the curve which is almost following the first curve. Then again 2 semicircles join together. Then last instrument, 2 converging lines, and there goes the last instrument. So this is how the outline of a figure look, Now we have to make designs inside to make it beautiful. So again follow the outline of the first figure. The same thing we are going to do with the second drum, and we are going to fill it. Just fill using mehndi. Actually, a wedding is the most exciting thing in a family, but when the region and the place and the religion changes, there's so much change which occurs with them. Even in the instruments, in my region, Hindu wedding have some kind of this instruments, but not every religion have this. And I said earlier, this coconut with pot thing, I saw that first in my friend's sister's marriage, and I was astonished what kind of thing this is. And so there is lot much difference even with the dress, how the bride and groom comes, how the dance, everything, even the way we exchange the garlands and everything. So let me know how a marriage is done in your family or your region or place or country or continent or everything, whatever it is. So let me know that. So please say it in the comment box below so everyone can know it, and it would be a great help for the mehndi designers so they can plan accordingly. So one of our first drum is almost ready, and we are almost finished a second drum also. And this is a kind of design, a simple kind of design. And if you are interested with learning more and more designs, as I said earlier, I have an Instagram page, and there is many tutorials and other things and other creative works, everything done in my Instagram page. Actually, I'm not interested with more kind of bridegroom or bridal works. Other than that, I am a content creator in YouTube, and I'm more interested in works like renovations in Mehndi, that is finding more things which other people doesn't do, like sceneries with the Mehndi and more things, as I shown earlier, the tiger figure and more real looking god and goddess figure, mural paintings, etc. My TV show was conducted a few months back, and in that show, I have mentioned I love mural paintings more, and I would like to incorporate that into my mehndi work. So, if you're interested like me, then I could teach you that also. And I am very interested in my face portraiting ideas, and I like to portrait every face, and I used to do it for customers also. So please check out my page, and I hope it would be interesting for you. And if you are a beginner and really interested with drawing figure work or design work, but really a very beginner, basic beginner, and with this video you think that you can't draw this and all, it's a bit higher order or something, then don't worry, okay? Because in my other videos, there is basic tutorials, even starting from how to hold the mehndi cone to everything needed for mehndi. So please refer that. I will leave the link in my bio or the details part of this video. So I hope it would be also a helpful thing for you. So let's complete our third instrument, and there it goes like this. Just some basic Indian designs. That's what. All we have to do is fill the space with some designs, and after that, just redraw the outlines again so that the work will be projected out from the background designs. And so you are interested with mehndi, like, is that your passion or is it your job, or do you make money with this? Let me know that also. So DM me in my Instagram page, or you can comment in the comment box below. And again, we are just drawing those lines to make some crisscross lines. and some basic designs, and that instrument is almost complete. And the last one, here it goes. The last instrument also some straight lines, then some curves, the basic Indian design curves, and again a straight line. So in this video I used a normal cone which I bought from the market. As you all know, it's lockdown in my place and it is quarantine time, corona time and all, so there is no way for me to order my organic cones, and I am in no mood for making my own cones, so I am using this chemical cone. I cannot say a typical chemical cone, but a kind of one I bought from the market. So when you are trying out, better use the organic ones. There are more sellers all around the world who can sell you the best cones you want, and so try them out, and it would be more better for your skin, and also it would be more better for your designs also. And now we have finished all the instruments and just drawing some outline around all the instruments together and including our coconut and the pot. I'm doing this so that when I draw the background instruments, it won't just merge with our instruments, just the designs stand out and the instruments done separately, so that from a long distance view itself we can see that she is having a lot much instrument figures in her hand, rather than just looking and saying, oh, just a small amount of mehndi work, similar the same one we used to see every day. So make people think that we have done something different. Now I'm going to give some background designs. Now anyway, the video is almost a kind of bit lengthy, so I'm going to give some simple designs and going to omit the repetition steps so that the video won't be more lengthy. And if you want the tutorial for this design, just refer to my older videos and everything is in there. So I'm going to make it a little more faster to make the video more shorter. So I have made grids, that is just some horizontal lines and some vertical lines, and I'm going to just shade alternate boxes and some random lines inside and some dots for another design. I hope you like my videos and I think it was helpful for you, and thanks for commenting and liking my video and subscribe too. Thank you.